Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy way to debadge a vehicle. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not really that hard. So this is going to be a quick little DYI video on how to debadge a vehicle. I'll be right back. Alright, first of all, you gotta have a heat gun. I know some people use fishing line and all that crap. That's old school, man. This is the new way to do it. All you do is heat that sucker up about 20 seconds. Get you one of these plastic spatula things. Some people leave heat on there too long. It don't take but a second. See that? It pops right off. Don't need a lot of heat. About 10 seconds. Bam! Off. Still got glue on it. I'll show you how to get that off. Some people leave the heat gun on there too long. It only takes about 10 seconds. If you turn it on high, it don't even take that long. You don't want to mess them up in case the customer want to put them back on. Bam. See that? Bam. Come right off. Actually, you can do more than one. Slide that in. Bam. Slide that in. Bam. Slide that in. It's off. See, this is plastic. So then what you can do is you can go back and scrape the glue off. It doesn't scratch the paint. Get most of the glue off like that while it's still warm, see? This is plastic, it don't scratch. You see that? It's easy. Even they make plastic razor blades, those will work too. But I went to the paint store and bought these. I got 3 different sizes, so in case I want to do something bigger. Get it all down like that. Say it don't take that long. Don't scratch the paint. And if it does, if it's a minor scratch, you just go back over with a microfiber and some rubber compound. Then after you do that, you get some Goo Gone and a rag. Put a Goo Gone on the rag. See that? Taking it right off. Yeah, see that? Out of there. And you go to the next one. Put a little, just dab a little Goo Gone on there. And like I said, it takes that adhesive right off. You see how fast that is? That's all you gotta do. Take you about 10 minutes from start to finish. See, my paint ain't scratched or nothing. See that? Look at that. Go to the next one. I gotta buy some more Goo Gone, guys, because I debadged this whole truck. I wet sanded and buffed some spots, and then he asked me to debadge it too. So, all you gotta do. Takes all that adhesive right off. The paint ain't scratched or nothing. Why not do them one at a time? You gotta take your time and get all that Goo Gone to eat right through that adhesive though. Y'all see it? Y'all see how it's eating through it? Take your microfiber. When you get through, throw this microfiber in the garbage, because you ain't gonna be able to use it for nothing else after you do this. See that? Y'all see how simple that is, guys? Then if you want to go back with the rubber thing and scrape a little bit more of the glue off. Like I said, it's not gonna scratch the paint because it's plastic. See it. Get a little dab of Goo Gone. Hit the next one. Look at that. See, if you go back over it, it's not as much adhesive. Look at that. See, that one didn't take no time. See that? Yeah, guys, this is how you debadge a car. This is the way I do it. I think this is the easiest way. Some people still do it with fishing line, but nah. And you don't have to buy a heat gun. You can use a hair dryer, as long as you got some heat on it for 10 or 15 seconds. That's all you need. Look at that. I got 2 more to go. I'm gonna hit this one time like this. Get a little bit more of that glue off. Dab my rag with the Goo Gone. See what you do, you set it up there like that first and let it absorb it. Then you start getting it off. Look at that. Look how fast that, what did that take? 20 seconds? Look at that. Right? Kick your rag and put it on there, let it sit in. Then you just do like this. This is so easy. The paint's not scratched or nothing. Give me one more little dab. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's it. Done. Debadge. It's debadge. No adhesive or nothing. So what I do when I get done, just to make sure, I hit a little spray wax on it. I hit a little spray wax on it. Like this. Wipe it down. And I'm looking at the panel. It's not a scratch on it, guys. Hit it with a little spray wax. And then I'm gonna take some of my ceramic and just put over it. Hold on. Take some of my ceramic that I done told y'all about, my ceramic wax, seal it in, and it's done. No scratching or nothing. I don't have to buff it or anything. Just seal that area in. Let it sit for about 15 or 20 minutes. Take it off, and it's done. Well, there you have it. That's a little quick video on how to debadge anybody's car, your car, anybody else's car. Yep, that's it, guys. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.